Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to have the opportunity. We would like to concentrate on our paper with title An Exploratory Study of Culinary Products Purchase Intentions toward Digital Short Video Platform in Bandung City, Indonesia. Next. And I'd like to quickly introduce our team. I am Eka Septiarini, and then Lukni Burhanuddin Ahmad, Dennis Ariel Arusatriawan, and the last one is Raihan Elian Aas. Next. And for my first point concern is the introduction. For the first point is digital information has changed continuously and more rapidly through various digital platforms worldwide. And also there is a shifting function of television as a place to display advertisements. And the third point is about short video display platforms such as TikTok, Reels, YouTube Short, as a short video distribution, which is considered as a powerful tool to promote a product or business efficiently nowadays. And also digital platforms reach many potential customers because of its convenience to access. Hence, the opportunities to get profitable profit are increasingly wide open. And the short video platform has more realistic visual facility, moving images, and also communicating products through various interesting short video content. And the last one, because of culinary entrepreneurs in Bandung captured this opportunity by using a short video display platform to promote their products. Since Bandung is one of Indonesia's tourist destination city with many culinary products can be tested. Next, we can see from the statistic revealed that Indonesian consumers spend 6.6 hours watching social media or user-generated content each week on average. And the same survey also revealed that Indonesian consumers spend more hours watching online video than television that year. Next.
Okay, thank you. So I would like to describe our research gap or novelty. So the first point is that short video is a high platform nowadays. Therefore, the theory regarding the short video topic is still very limited, especially in Indonesia. The lack of research regarding purchase intention to culinary product, which explicitly focusing on the short video platform. And Bandung is the scope on this research, since the city is one of Indonesia's tourist destination with many culinary products. So this is our literature review. We conduct the state of the art to 21 research regarding purchase intention towards short video platform and 8 research about culinary product and more than 50 research to support the theory. So as you can see, this is our models. We have 3 dimensions. The first one is culinary short video dimension. The second one is technology acceptance model as a platform. And the third dimension is source of credibility theory, and each dimension have 2 and 3 variables to understand the intention to purchase after see the short video platform. So now I would like to define the variables on this research. The first variable, purchase intention, is related to the customer plan to buy products or service through ads. The attitude is defined as an evaluation of culinary short video before they intend to buy the food. So the first dimension is technology acceptance model. As we know, it has 2 variables. The first one is perceived ease of use, which is correlated with the user comfortability and effortless usage. The second one is perceived usefulness, which perform when using the platform will fulfill the user purpose. The second dimension is source credibility theory. The first one is trustworthiness, which is defined as how influencer or endorser can make consumer believe in the information conveyed through the short video about culinary that can influence the consumer purchase intention. The second one is expertise, which is define how influencer make themselves as a valid resource of information by experiencing what culinary content they describe and what content they show on the platform, so they can influence consumer buying intention after see the short video. The last one is attractiveness, which is define how influencer can be likable to consumer, similarity with the personal preferred by culinary product user, and familiarity with the customer. The last dimension is culinary video, which is the first variable in this dimension is customer personality characteristic, which define how customer as a distinct features that differentiate among customer from its mind, excitement, and behavior. The second variable is retail commercial image, is the customer perception about the product variants and the quality of the product as well as the service and the advertising promoted by the restaurant. The last variable is product features, which is defined such as the packaging, product quality, price, which is considered as the most critical factors.
Thank you, Mr. Rufni. Now I would like to explain about the methods. In this research, we use qualitative analysis method with two-way data collection by semi-structured interview and a forum group discussion within 22 respondents. So we use proposal sampling to determine the sample that fit criteria in this research. And from the group age, as you can see, the highest respondent around 18 until 24 years old who use short video platform, and the location of the research in Bandung City, Indonesia. So this is the process flow in the research, and we took 9 months to complete this research. So interview process consists of participants, interviewer, observer, and note taker. Interview process is held within the next 6 months. Compile the result of the interview using Miro as decoding process, and lastly, the fit the decoding result with the hypothesis theory.
Next, I will explain the result of this research. On the result, we can found a model hypothesis without expertise on search of credibility. We are on TAM or technology acceptance model with point perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness. The participants agreed that they would love to use the platform if the platform itself has benefits and functional, easily accessible, and valuable for participants to find information on culinary products. Next, the result of research about culinary short videos. The first one is retailer's commercial image. From the data, the participants come to the restaurant. They seek for the restaurant's review on the internet first. They will visit the restaurant if the service, the place, cleanliness, or the food is excellent. Next are results about customer personality. It can be concluded that the same as previous research. In addition, many participants also mention how they bought their food are consideration for participants to buy culinary products. Third result is about product features. Participants say they would buy culinary products based on the product features they got. Friend recommendation, quality food, the credibility of food, and perceived risk are matters to purchase intention of the culinary products. Next here is included the search of credibility, attractiveness, and trustworthiness. From the data, many participants say they would have purchased culinary products based on how the content creator made the video exciting and attractive. And the finding of trustworthiness based on their interview, participants said that crucial opinion leaders affect them to purchase culinary product because they trust their review.
So this is our last part of presentation is the conclusion. From the hypothesis before, 7 of 8 independently influenced intention to purchase culinary products toward short video platforms are: the first one is perceived ease of use, second, perceived usefulness, the third is consumer personality characteristic, fourth, retail commercial images, fifth, product features, sixth, attractiveness, and the last one is trustworthiness. As explained by Raihan before, the expertise variable is not considered as the factor that can influence the purchase intention, which means the definition of how the influencer can be likable by consumers, similarity to the personality preferred by culinary
Just remind
culture, and familiarity
5
with
minutes.
consumer is influential. And the conclusion from this research propose a new model that depicts a phenomenon of intention to purchase culinary products in Bandung without placing the expertise variable. The conceptual model of this research can portray how the consumer in Bandung is willing to purchase culinary products after watching short video content on a digital platform. And by the end of the slide, I sincerely appreciate for your attention today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. We hand it to Dr. Dodi for feedback now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, how are you? Miss Eka, Miss Raihan. I think it's an interesting topic because it's a contemporary topic in Indonesia tem kekinian or zaman now ya. Because it's interesting because the short video platform like TikTok or Instagram Reels, I think it's interesting platform to attract buyer to buy some product ya. I have a suggestion for your research. I think it's the novelty of your research is excellent. I think because this a new topic. So I have some suggestion for your journal or your the first may I share my screen. If you are want to accept it in international journal, please your abstract to follow this order ya. Purpose, your purpose, what is your purpose, design, findings, research limitation, and originality value. I think you must arrange your abstract with this order because it's Emerald. You know, Emerald is international journal who known about in all academician or research ya. So you must order your abstract with this it's clear then cost and methodology presentation value. I think the highest point in your research is originality because the new topic you can explore. Okay, the second, your research is qualitative research. It's true?
Yes,
I
correct.
confirm you. Okay. With in your abstract, this phenomenon, this phenomenon. I highlight this word. Why you didn't use phenomenology in your data analysis with your research? Because the one of the methodology in qualitative method is the phenomenology and other grounded theory, case study. Why you didn't use phenomenology?
So maybe because this is still our the first because of the lack of research, and then we try to explore in the first point of view. I mean, like survey. So not and for the further research, maybe we can use the phenomenology.
Okay, okay, sip. Okay, it's the first step for your research, yeah. Okay. Okay, I have a suggestion for your research because your conceptual method use TAM, yeah, the acceptance model.
Yep.
Okay, you can expand your research. You can make 2 or 3 journal with quantitative with smart PLS, a quantitative method. I think your research can expand the research, so you can make 3 or 5 journal from this research. Okay, thank you. It's an interesting topic. Okay, thank you,
Thank you.
Ms. Nur Afia. That's enough for me.
Okay,
Thank you.
the next presenter.